Hey everyone, welcome back to Mixing It Up with Michelle. In today's video, I am discussing with my dad how to do taxidermy on a fish, or how to mount a fish. My father used to be a pretty skilled taxidermist in the past, so we're trying to pick his brain. My father is 87 years old, and he used to do taxidermy all the time. This video, you're going to see him talking to my boyfriend and telling him how to go about mounting a fish. And if you stay to the end of the video, you will see some of the work my father has done in the past as a taxidermist. So I hope you enjoy, and comment down below your thoughts.
One of them, you measure it from the tip of the nose to the end of the tail. And another one you order from the back corner of the eye to where you would cut the tail off. So it depends on the body you buy. They're all through Van Dyke's, but it's a different company. Different guys. Looking to see if they make an artificial head, but I don't see one in there. You know, where you could replace the head.
Oh, gotcha. Got by the whole thing, probably.
You can clean them heads out pretty easy.
Right.
So they'll fit on. I've been doing that on these bluegills, some of them, but they're small, you know.
Right.
But then I've done it on salmon too. Clean all the head out. You gotta have snips and all that bone. Take the gills and everything out of them. I'm gonna order some bass and trout green, which would be probably the color for yours.
Right.
Bass and trout green, it's almost an olive color. I can mix it, but I can't never get it exactly like I like it.
Right.
I done it on this trout, and I didn't like it. He got whited again. Green and brown, I think, together. But it's olive, but yet it's not the right olive.
Right.
So before you paint it, I will order that and get. They make it in a light trout, bass and trout, and they make it in a medium bass and trout and a dark bass and trout.
Gotcha.
So
this one's probably going to be medium to dark, I'm thinking.
yeah.
Because he's kind of a little bit on the dark
But
side. But he had those nice spots, you know, the brown, it's got them nice spots on it.
It's a very light green.
You paint those spots right in too?
Yeah, you paint them, and then you got. I've been using a magic marker to put the black spots on. It's a lot easier than trying to. I've changed my needle on my airbrush. Maybe it'll work better than the one I've been using. The one I've been using was a small tip, and it pissed me right off because I'd be putting little black spots on this trout, and all of a sudden, poop!
Oh no, and it ruins it.
I got a big spot and splatters.
Oh no. You got to start over, right?
Got to do it all over again.
Right.
There's no way you can cover it. I've tried.
And you're like, just back to doing it by hand, right?
Yeah, so I had another needle and stuff. Actually, it's not a needle that's long. It's built right in this gun. You just pull it out and put the other one into it. I just found a bigger one. It's got a little bigger hole, and I tried putting spots on something, and they worked really good for what I done, but I didn't do many. As soon as I get my air compressor back out, I'm gonna play with it some more with that different needle,
Right.
hopefully.
That nice misty mist down there, right?
But I've been using a black magic marker, just putting spots on them.
There you go.
That works good.
Subscribe!